How to create text flicker animation inside Davinci Resolve. I'm in Davinci Resolve. In the Edit tab, I'm opening effects library and I'm looking for Fusion Composition. Drag and drop it over your timeline and then right click on it and find Open in Fusion page. Once selected, you're gonna have Media Out in the Fusion page, and then you wanna select the text icon right here in order to import it in your media tree, then connect it to your Media Out. These are the only two nodes that we're gonna use. Then highlight your text node, go to the inspector, and in the text field you can type your text in there. You can select the text font that you like. In my example, I'm picking Montserrat Black, and also I'm increasing the size of my liking. Next up, you want to go to shading right here, and on element page number 2 you want to select enable and color, change it to white. Next, you can decrease the thickness of your liking. I'm picking it around here, which is 0.05 or so. And next you want to go back to text, right click on your text field and select follower. That will enable your modifier. You want to left click on it, and in the timing menu you want to select the order random 1 by 1. I suggest to leave a delay of approximately value of 2, like in my example as well. Next you want to go to shading, which is also in the modifier, and on element number 1, while it is highlighted, you want to go to the timeline and place your playhead in the very first frame and change the values of opacity to 0, then create a keyframe by pressing the diamond beside it. Move 4 frames forward and then increase the values of opacity to 1, then 4 frames forward again, reduce the opacity of 0, and then for the last time move 4 frames again, which in my case is frame number 12, and increase the opacity to 1. Next you can go to element number 2 and then go again on frame number 0 and reduce the opacity by creating a keyframe. The same thing as we did for element number 1. We can move 4 frames at a time and decreasing the values of opacity from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0 until we reach frame number 12 and leaving it on opacity of 1. Make sure that your last keyframe is always ending on 1. That way your whole text will be revealed. And if you want this effect to last longer, you can go to keyframes from here, select this icon right here, highlight your whole keyframes, which are this one, hold Alt and drag it to the right side in order to multiply the amounts of keyframes. That way the effect will keep repeating itself until your desired length. Now I have successfully repeated my keyframes 3 times. That means the effect is going to be repeated. I hope this video was helpful. You can also watch this video right here. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.